Hello guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Bazaar. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about latest collection of half shoulder tops. In this video, I am going to share you the most beautiful and elegant half shoulder tops. And you can see colorful tops. This kind of tops used in a regular basis. You can wear them with a skirt and jeans. This will be give you very stylish look. These all are in different colors and different patterns, and this kind of tops are available in online store and markets. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what kind of video you like to watch. Subscribe for more amazing videos and watch till end. Thanks for watching.